Good afternoon, everybody. Uneducated Economist here. So the other day I had come across this Federal Reserve article, this blog, and it was asking if gold is a good hedge against inflation. And the article itself was, I found it kind of confusing, didn't really come to any good valid points, and the graphs that he put together were sort of inconclusive. And so I just kind of found the whole thing kind of pointless, and I just filed it away, didn't really think much about it. But today I came across this article out of the Business Insider, and it's titled, "An Achilles heel in credit markets mean fund managers are bracing for a recession. Here's how they are adjusting their portfolios." And it says here, key industry voices in asset management are sounding the alarm on the U.S. economy. Participants at the annual Moody's U.S. Asset Managers Conference indicated that they were increasingly wary that a recession might happen in the next year or two and were adjusting their portfolios accordingly. In anticipation of a recession, Moody's said they're buying more gold. Now, isn't that something, right? So the Federal Reserve is asking the question, well, is gold a good hedge against inflation? Comes up with a bunch of charts that are kind of inconclusive and doesn't really have any point to say about whether or not gold is a good hedge against inflation. But yet all these asset managers who attended the Moody's conference are all in the mood for buying gold. So I think about that original question, is gold a good hedge against inflation? Well, I don't know. I don't buy gold. I buy silver, right? Because I remember Dad telling me a long time ago when he was a young kid that he could buy a gallon of gas for like a quarter, okay? But in 1964, things changed with the coinage, and they took silver out of the coins, and everything minted after that was a copper and nickel clad. So today, a silver quarter has about $2.75 worth of silver content in it. And I looked up the price of a gallon of gas for across the country, the average price, $2.70. So can you believe that? You can still buy a gallon of gas, you just need the right quarter. And it seems that every time I check that theory, you can always buy a gallon of gas for a quarter. Sometimes you can buy more. Uneducated Economist. We'll talk to you later.